Claas congratulates the Vanderloop equipment team for its well-deserved recognition. For more than 25 years, Vanderloop has been one of the leading retailers of Claas Jaguar forage harvesters throughout the U.S. We at Claas are proud to be part of the Vanderloop team.
Career paths are interesting, right? It's definitely changed dynamics quite a bit. Went from initially starting off was doing a lot of the washing and the detailing and that type of a thing, into the service department, spent about 5 years in the service department turning wrench. And, that was a huge experience. Got to work with my uncle, Donald, at that time. He taught me a lot of what I knew mechanically alongside of Rob and that. And then it just kind of transitioned to where I am today, which is a little bit of a joint product role, sales management role, helping out on the service side as they need over there too. So Rob, I think, had that vision for me, and he'd be a little bit more to ask on it growing up, right? Get a little bit of each department, right? Spend some time in the parts department and understand the goals and understand the margins and what they have to do to be profitable. Time in the service department, whether it was actually wrenching on things, going on service calls to quite a few years as a service writer, service advisor, understanding how to deal with customers and that side of things. And then, recently, within the last 2-3 years, a joint sales manager role with Kerry, kind of working with the guys at this location. And, the 20 plus years at the dealership now has really offered a diverse background. So it's, having all of that experience has just been a factor of time that caused it. So